Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gale, here to share the September Flavors of the Month kit. So the Flavors of the Month includes 4 brand new collections. You'll get cardstock, pattern paper, and embellishments, so you have plenty to work with. You also receive a sample of gourmet coffee, so you can sip that up when you unbox it or when you create. You're also going to have access to 4 recipe cards. These are double page layouts that our design team designs for you, and they create them and give you a full color photograph and assembly, cutting instructions, everything to get you going, and you can create right along with our talented design team. Also, as a subscriber, you'll have access to a free exclusive cut file. These are designed by Cut to You exclusively for you here at the Scrap Room. And so this month is this awesome cut file here by the lake with the boat and the little wave. You can do it all together, take some pieces apart and separate it and just do some waves or the title. It's an awesome cut file that I know you're going to have a lot of fun with. This month our 4 collections is Bella Boulevard, Lake Life. So this is all things outdoors and the lake. We have Crepe Paper, Moonlight Magic, Photoplay Paper, Book Club, and Chamels' new collection, Main Character Energy. So you can see we have a wide variety of color schemes and themes. So much fun to have creating this month. Also check out our 3 add-on kits if you want more cardstock, pattern paper, or embellishments. Or if you want even more pattern paper and embellishments, check out our Shots of Life because it coordinates as well. I'll have videos at the end that you can check out. So let's dig in. We're going to take a closer look at each one of these collections and everything you'll be receiving this month. The first collection we're going to look at is Bella Boulevard's Lake Life. So this is everything outdoors and it has lakes, but you could definitely do a lot more with it. You're going to start with 2 sheets of white cardstock. Your first paper is this Gone Fishing with all of these cute little fish on here. The back is a red plaid. We have Nature Lover, which is a tone-on-tone green with all of the forest trees. And the back is a brown tone-on-tone plaid. This paper is, let's see, Boat Waves. So we have a beautiful floral on the yellow. So see, this could be anything. It wouldn't have to be lake. And then we have the waves on the back. So one more look at your patterned paper. For your embellishments, you're going to get a row of enamel dots. So these will vary, but I got green ones, and you can see they're all the little smaller ones, which I love. You're also going to get a mixture of icons and words. So again, these will all vary, but this is a good sample. Just love this little turtle here. So lots of little lake themed icons. So that is Lake Life from Bella Boulevard. Our next collection is Moonlight Magic from Crepe Paper, and this is true crepe paper with all the beautiful florals, and you'll see here we have some more realistic looking flowers as well as her graphic flowers here, so that's kind of fun. You're going to start with 2 sheets of Fig Swirl cardstock. This paper is called Collage, which is beautiful florals on the back, black, sorry, and then we have Suns, tone-on-tone yellow. We have this paper called Pixie Dust, which has those flowers and then a striped on the back. We have Heart Flutter, which is these gorgeous butterflies. These would be awesome to fussy cut for embellishments. And the back is this gorgeous tone-on-tone green with the little leaves. It's just gorgeous. So let's look at your pattern paper. For your embellishments, you're going to get some of the foam stickers here and a mixture of the flower and journal pieces. So this has a couple here that are the acetate. So you can see this matches this graphic of this floral here, but it's that printed on that clear acetate, and that's a clear acetate. And then we have some cardstock ephemeris. So all of your embellishments will vary, but that's a good representation. So that is Moonlight Magic from Crepe Paper. Our next collection is Book Club from Photoplay Paper, and I am in love with the colors and the theming of this collection. So you're going to start with 2 sheets of aquatic cardstock. Your pattern paper is this one called Favorite Character, which is this beautiful florals. And the back are these cut aparts, probably 4x4 down here. and then a 6x8. I love this, the book club, the character's thoughts. So that could be all of your journaling. You could document about your kids or even yourself, types of things that you like to read. My favorite books, so you could fill out all your favorite books. You could do a childhood memory page and document the childhood books that you loved or your own children. So many ideas for that. I need 2 of those, one for the floral and one for that. This is called Paper Plane, which has the paper airplanes made out of newspaper print, and the back is a book print. Gorgeous. This one is Storied Stripe. So we have the diagonal stripe with all of the colors, some pink hearts on yellow. One more look at your patterned paper. And then for the embellishments, you're going to get the full 12x12 sticker sheet. So we have some kind of journaling questions down here. What surprised you the most? So you could document about a certain book and answer all of these. Character you want to meet, what's the plot of the book, favorite part of the book. We have the little library card, a stack of books, the banner, large words, so many cute things. I love this. Bookmarks are for quitters. So cute. So that is Book Club from Photoplay Paper. The last collection we're going to look at is Chamels' Main Character Energy. So I know a lot of people like myself was disappointed when Chamel was not making new collections for American Crafts, and they have brought her back, so give them a big shout out. So we're going to start with 2 sheets of sapphire cardstock. Your pattern paper is this one, Prettiest Pink, which is a gorgeous floral print. The back is a polka dot on the blue. Full branding strips on these, so you have an orange floral. This paper is called Tune In, which is kind of like a polka dot print on the rainbow stripe there. Love those colors. And the back is a circle print with stars. Use your imagination. Then we have a ledger. Always love ledgers. And the back are a cute little small floral print and Believe in Kindness. So one more look at your pattern paper. This is very Chamel in the bright colors. So for the embellishment, you're going to get some of the foam thickers. So this is what I got. Of course, they'll all be different. And then some of the ephemera pieces. So this is about 1/5 of a pack of the ephemera pieces. Again, they will vary, but this is a good representation. So that is Chamels' Main Character Energy. One more look at the 4 collections in your flavors of the month. Be sure to check out the 3 add-ons as well as the Shots of Life, because they'll coordinate and give you more pattern paper, embellishments, and cardstock. We also have lots of other kits in the store, so you want to check those out as well as individual items. Join us over on the Facebook group. Join in on the challenges and the fun. Thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kits.